Hey everyone, how you guys doing? I'm Erica. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get followers on Pinterest. So let's get started. Now, back in the day, we used to use the follow for follow method on Pinterest, and it used to work so well. But nowadays, guys, Pinterest will actually ban your account or mark your account as spam if you start to follow and unfollow people on Pinterest. So there are other ways, other methods that you can use outside of Pinterest to try to grow your account and get followers as fast as possible. The first method I'm going to be showing you guys is Tailwind Tribes. Now, Tailwind is awesome. Tailwind Tribes will help you get a lot of engagement, repins, and reshares on Pinterest. But you can also use the chat option within Tailwind Tribes to get followers to your Pinterest account. Now, as you can see here, when you join Tailwind Tribes, you are going to get tons of messages from other bloggers that are trying to grow their Pinterest account. Now, if I go ahead and open up some of these messages, you're going to see that a lot of these people have left their Pinterest URLs here and they're asking for follows. So this is something that you can use to start getting followers as soon as possible. When you go ahead and join Tailwind and join Tailwind Tribes, you can come up here and add in your introduction messages and tell people to go ahead and follow you, and you're going to follow them back like other users are doing on here. Now, this is very effective. You can go ahead and connect with these other bloggers, share their content, follow their profiles, and they're going to do the same thing in return. So as you can see here, there is a blogger here that is offering to follow back if other users of the tribe actually goes ahead and follow her account. Now, another way to use this feature is to find people that are online. Once you have this green bar here, you're going to know that they're active right now within the tribes, and you can connect with them. You can send them chat messages and tell them that you guys can grow together, introduce yourself, tell them about your blog and what it is you blog about, follow them, and they're going to follow you back. This is a very effective method that you can use to start getting followers, at least 50 to 100 followers per day on Pinterest. So go ahead and try it out. This is very effective, and I guarantee that you are going to get results as soon as possible. So Tailwind has a free forever plan that you can use. You do not have to pay a single cent, and you can join up to 5 tribes with the free plan, so you can go ahead and try it out just to be able to grow your followers if you do not want to use the other options in here as well. Another effective way to grow your followers on Pinterest is by using this app called MiloTree. This is sort of a notification pop-up box that pops up when people come onto your website. It's going to give them the option to go ahead and follow your profile with a little pop-up box that they can go ahead and close if they do not want to follow your account. Now, they have a 30-day free trial that you can use, and you can go ahead and sign up or create a demo pop-up to use if you do not want to add in your credit card details and so on and so forth. This one costs about $9 per month. You can go ahead and check it out, but to go ahead and create your demo pop-up, just click on that option, and you're going to see that they have a lot of sites that you can integrate to grow your followers, subscribers, and all of that good stuff. So people for Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and all of that can use this option as well and get that pop up on their blogs to be able to grow their following. So with Pinterest, you just have to click the Pinterest icon and click on Connect Account. Add in your Pinterest username, connect it, and you can also optimize your box to add the colors of your brand and all of that good stuff. Click on Done, grab your code, and add it to your blog. So you can go ahead and check out this website as well to add your pop-up box to your blog, And you can also find videos on YouTube on how to go ahead and integrate this whole system to your blog to start growing your Pinterest followers as soon as possible. Next, we have a Pinterest profile widget that you can add at the side of your blog. Let's say right under your profile right there, you can add a widget for your Pinterest account, and it is going to look similar to the MiloTree notification app. So let's go ahead and set one up right away. To do this, you can go to Pinterest Developer Tools, go ahead and click on that. Now, if you're not signed into your Pinterest account, go ahead and do so and refresh this page. Navigate to Tools, and then we want to go to the Widget Builder. Once you're here, click on Profile, and now this is where you can go ahead and add your Pinterest username. And you want to go ahead and create the option that says create your own. Just select that, and I recommend that you set this to 80, 250. Let's go with 250 by 250. So this is going to create this box for you, and the 80 just resizes the images that's going to show up. And now all you got to do is copy your code, go back to your blog, navigate to Appearance, Widgets, and you want to grab a text box code option here, drag it onto your sidebar, and you want to add it wherever it is that you want it to show up. And I'm going to add it under my Gravity profile. Just drop it, go to the text option right there, and you want to paste in your code. Now that's not all. You want to click on the Enter tab, go back to the Pinterest Developer Tools, copy the second code, go back to your widget, and you want to paste it underneath that. So once you do, click on Save, and once you're done, click on the Done option. Let's go back to the blog, and we're going to refresh this and see if our profile for Pinterest actually shows up. So there you go. You have your widget on here that people can click on to follow you on Pinterest. Now, I actually recommend that you go ahead and add your profile, this widget, within your blog post as well, so that you can increase the chances of people following you whenever you send traffic to your blog from Pinterest. It's going to help you grow your account so easily and so fast. So you need to go ahead and try this option. Now, another way that you can start growing your Pinterest followers as soon as possible is by using Facebook groups. Now, there are tons of Facebook groups on Facebook that you can go ahead and find, and all you got to do is use the keywords like Pinterest followers and Pinterest, collaboration and stuff like that to find these kinds of groups. Now, here's one that has a Pinterest thread that you can go ahead and join, and this is a follow thread that you can add your Pinterest profile to, and members of this group or people who are on the thread are going to follow your profile as well. Now, doing this or using this method can get you up to 200 followers per day, but there is a follow back limit on Pinterest, so you need to be careful and not follow more than 100 people per hour. You can go ahead and join these threads, but make sure to only follow around 20 people every hour. But you can make sure to complete the threads within a single day. So this is one of the groups that I actually recommend. I use this group to grow my new Pinterest accounts initially. So this one is called Bloggers Unite on Pinterest, and they have over 8,300 members. And as you can see here, in the last 15 hours, there is a weekly follow thread that you can go ahead and join. And as you can see, there are tons of people participating in the threads, and you can go ahead and start following people, and they're going to follow you back. These are people who are trying to grow their accounts, so they are going to follow you back, and these people are serious about their Pinterest account. They're going to be active, so I recommend that you go ahead and use these groups on Facebook to start to get followers on your Pinterest account as soon as possible. So the next group I recommend is the one called Pinterest Ninjas, and they have different threads that you can join: Pinterest repin threads, Pinterest follow threads, and all of that good stuff. So go ahead and check it out. Those are Pinterest Ninjas and Bloggers Unite on Pinterest. This one is called Easy Pinterest Traffic, and you can simply add your profile on here and ask for people to follow you, and you're going to follow them in return. There are tons and tons of groups that you can use to go ahead and start getting followers as soon as possible on Pinterest. So I hope you use these methods and you're going to be able to grow your Pinterest account following in no time. So I hope this video helped you guys, and if it did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave your comments below, and thank you guys so much for watching.